Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete all videos on TikTok. So if you want to delete your videos on TikTok, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then open up your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok video, now you have to tap on the three dotted icon, and then you have to scroll towards the left and you can find the delete icon. You just have to tap on delete, and after tapping on delete you will delete your video on your TikTok application. So this is the only way how you can delete your TikTok videos. You can delete it manually, but you can't select every single video and delete at once. So you can't delete every single video on your TikTok application at once, but you can delete your videos manually. But you can also hide your videos by tapping on the three bar icon, and after tapping on the three bar icon, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on security, and then tap on privacy. And after tapping on privacy, now you have to tap on private account, and after privating your account no one can see your videos except your friends. This is how you can hide your videos. Or you can also tap on account, and after tapping on account you can also tap on deactivate or delete account which is on the bottom, and you can delete your account and create a new account. So these were the ways you can delete your TikTok videos. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.